Hey crafty friends! Welcome to another unboxing. This one features the Mediterranean Twist card kit from Annie's Kit Club. Every kit comes with an instruction booklet on how to make these cards. For this set, there is a clear stamp sheet with sentiments and tiled shapes, eight envelopes, a small bag of brads, 4 3x8 strips of cardstock, another set of 4 strips in 3.5 by 10 in size, and each strip set comes in 2 shades of blue. There are 8 cards in A2 size in 2 shades of blue. Five letter size sheets of pattern paper, four sheets of die cuts with sentiments and ephemera ready to be punched out, three sheets of letter size cardstock in dark blue, golden yellow, and white. That is all for the contents of this kit. Check out my video where I make these cards. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day.